Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be telling you how maglev trains work. Maglev is an acronym for magnetic levitation. There are two types of maglev trains, EMS and EDS. EMS is an acronym for electromagnetic suspension, and EDS is an acronym for electrodynamic suspension. This is how EMS works. In EMS trains, there is a magnet, a permanent magnet to be exact, attached to the top of the guideline of the train, which is positioned under the track, and on the bottom of the track there are some electromagnets which attract the permanent magnets on the train, just so that the whole train hovers. This is how an EMS train propels itself. It has magnets in an alternating fashion which are permanent on the train, and there are electromagnets in an alternating fashion on the track, on the top of the track. And the poles of the electromagnets are switched by alternating the direction of the current, which creates a series of repulsive and attractive forces which ultimately propel the train forward. That is how an EMS train works. This is how EDS works. EDS has superconductors, which are a very special type of magnet attached to the side of it. And they must be cooled to the temperature of liquid nitrogen to perform properly. They have 4 poles in one. They have 4 poles. They have 2 south poles and 2 north poles simultaneously. So basically, each side of the magnet, what in a regular magnet would be a north pole and a south pole on a superconductor. And what in the same regular magnet would be a south pole and a north pole simultaneously on the superconductor. So there's also some electromagnets on the side of the track in an alternating fashion, and they don't have to be switched. The moment you turn them on, the superconductor will attract and repel at the exact same time, ultimately making the EDS train shoot forward. Those are how maglev trains work. At home, I created this maglev train. It has a little car, and this is the train. It's a simplified model of EMS trains, but almost nearly the opposite, because instead of attraction making the train hover, it's repulsion. And this is the guideline of the train that prevents it from just falling right off the track like this, that prevents it from just going right off the track. So this is a simple experiment I'm going to do. I'm going to measure how much time it takes for this to go down. It takes about 1, 2. It took 2 seconds. So that is how maglev trains work. Bye. I hope you understand how maglev trains work now. If you have any questions, please tell me in the comments. I will answer them for you. Bye.